I got laid off. It was a shocking experience for me. At first, I wanted to focus on just getting another job. Every opportunity I had for one reason or another was not bringing me that job. I felt desperate, really. I was having negative self-talk. I was feeling really like a loser inside of me. In spite of all my efforts, the universe was not opening me that door. When I was looking to my kids, when I was leaving them at school, I was suffering in myself. I was trying to hold a smile while looking at them, although well inside me it was hurting. I had to reinvent myself because when I was a teenager, my father happened to quit his job and it turned into an economic crisis in the family. So much stress on him that eventually he happened to develop cancer and passed away earlier than he should have done. So I didn't want to repeat that cycle, and I thought maybe I need to do some other thing. That thing was affiliate marketing. It was interesting and with low gravity at the moment. I bought a ClickBank training around doing affiliate marketing using Facebook ads, and that was really the opportunity for me to start making money online. And for me, it has been a life changer. My name is Ernesto Mejia, and I am a ClickBank Platinum affiliate. I remember it was the summer of 2018. My wife and my kids went with my in-laws to the seaside, and I was feeling like I was not deserving any vacation because I really needed to make sales. Eventually, one day, I was very happy because I made my first 4 ClickBank sales, 2 in the United States, 2 in Australia, and I felt like, okay, this really can work. I called my wife, I told her about it. I felt like it was like a Christmas for me. I decided to invest more in my education, and that's where the doors started to open for me. When my wife joined me in this effort, when we combined forces, we really make what we say nowadays was our first breakthrough. We started to get sales every day, $100, $200, $300. We go to $1,000 a day, which for us was a life changer. I was knocking to the success door. I was really turning on the engine of my sales machine. I knew it was not out of luck. I knew it was due on my effort. Getting to 1,000, it felt like climbing Mount Everest. My favorite thing about ClickBank is the consistency, getting paid on time, the consistency of having every month, every quarter, great offers that are super strong, so you never exhaust the possibilities of which offer to choose. You know, great offer is going to be on ClickBank. You have a great support from your account manager, as it has been in my case. I feel I have everything I need for my business at ClickBank. Right here, I am holding my 2023 ClickBank Platinum Award, and I can tell you, it feels so great, a living proof that it's success on my hand. With the support of my wonderful wife, she was really the hope to believe before things came materializing, to believe that we could be at this point having success. So without her, I would not have made it, for sure. Even if English is not your first language, as it happens to be my case, you can still make it. The important thing is to have a clear focus and a burning desire to get there. It all starts with a spark, with a positive thought, and then turning that into concrete action and taking massive actions. For me, being at ClickBank doing affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless.